2024's most promising male star, Andres Mula.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Kathy Sandiego.
Good evening, everyone. Medyo kinakabahan ako ng konti, pero sige lang. Firstly, I would like to thank the Guillermo Foundation for recognizing me for this award. I'd like to thank my Viva family, Boss Vic, and the Del Rosario family. Thank you so much for believing in me and giving me the opportunity to work. And of course, to my family, my mom and my dad, thank you so much for not only guiding me, but being an inspiration in my life and my sisters as well. And to Tosh, my sister, congrats to you because you also won. And for me, this moment, I'm more proud just because me and you get to share this moment together, and it means the world. And lastly, to everyone here tonight, I just want you guys to know that I look up to all of you, all the stars that are in this room. It means the world that we get to share this moment together, and I get to carry this experience with me for the rest of my life. So thank you so much again for this award, and yun lang. I love you all.
Congratulations to the most promising female star, Atasha Mula.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Rosalina Yakub.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Good evening to everyone. I just wanted to say a big thank you to the Guillermo Mendoza Foundation for this recognition. And to my Viva family, the De Rosario family, thank you guys so much for all the opportunities and all the blessings you've given me. And also to my Eat Bulaga family, thank you to Tito Vic, Joey, and mga legit Dubber Cats, and to the Dubber Cats for embracing me and loving me with open arms. And because of that, I've developed the confidence and the love for this industry, and I can't thank you guys enough. And also, I want to dedicate this award, more importantly, to my family. They're my everything, they're my rock. To my caring mother, my father is my best friend, and of course, my day one Andres. To be here with you tonight is really something special to me, of course. And this all wouldn't have happened because of you, Lord. Thank you, Father God, for everything. This is all because of you, and I dedicate this to you. And to be in a room with big stars, people that I look up to, is truly such an honor and such an inspiration, and I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you, everyone.
Pero malayo pa rin ang journey mo namin. Malayo pa. And we're motivating to put in the work. Ano sabi ng parents mo sa awards mo?
Well, they just said, to embrace it, and of course, this is not the end all be all. Continue to work hard. This is just the beginning. Embrace it and be nice.
Ano sabi ni Ashley?
Sabi po nila, they're very proud of what we did. For them, it's a great moment that, of course, kami naman work together tonight. And I could just birthday and I can be with him, receive an award with him side by side. So parents will see that it's also another story.
Andres, ano feeling mo, no? Kasi meron lang following yung last name mo. Ano feeling daw? Meron lang following mo yung last name.
Of course, I'm very thankful and grateful for all the support from everyone's behind. It's really touching talaga na there are people supporting us every day. And honestly, we're just working hard to do our best to put out the best for you guys.
Last, nag-miss ako mga fans mo siguro ba?
Opo, my TV ko rin po. Pero sobrang busy ko mga Dr. Kat. Yung mga schedule.